Are you facing packet loss issues in Apex Legends? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet cable if possible. This drastically reduces packet loss. If you must stay on Wi-Fi, make sure you're close to the router and avoid bandwidth-heavy apps running in the background. Next, go into Apex Legends settings and enable the data center option on the main menu. Pick the server with the lowest ping and packet loss percentage. Choosing the right server can instantly stabilize your game. Also, restart your router or modem to refresh your connection. If you're still having issue, try using a gaming VPN to reroute your traffic. Sometimes your ISP's routing causes packet loss, and a VPN fixes it. Make sure your network drivers are updated and disable background downloads or streaming on your PC or console. Follow these steps and you'll significantly reduce or eliminate packet loss in Apex Legends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.